It's nice to have you here. Sometimes you want to speak English, but the words come too fast. Or people speak fast and you feel lost. You think, I need more time. That feeling is very normal. Today, we talk about speaking slowly, calmly, with no pressure.
Yes, speaking slowly helps us feel safe. It helps us feel clear. We don't rush, we don't push.
Hi, Ray.
Hi, Mia. How are you feeling today?
I feel calm and a little tired.
Same here. A slow day feels good.
Today, we're talking about speaking slowly.
Yes, slow English, clear English.
This is for real life,
For shy learners.
for people who feel nervous.
If this calm style helps you, please like the video.
Share it with someone learning English.
And subscribe to Mr. Fluent English.
We're happy you're here with us.
Very happy.
Ray, do you like speaking slowly?
Yes, very much.
Why?
When I speak fast, I feel stress.
Stress means pressure.
Yes, my words mix up.
That happens to many people.
When I speak slowly, I feel in control.
Control means you feel okay.
Yes, I can think.
Thinking time is important.
Very important.
When I speak English, I choose slow words.
Me too.
I pause.
Pause means stop for a moment.
Friends, you can pause too.
You don't need to hurry.
Sometimes people think slow means bad.
But that's not true.
Slow means clear.
Clear means easy to understand.
When I meet new people, I speak slowly.
What do you say?
I say, "Hi, I'm Mia."
With a small pause.
Yes,
That sounds confident.
confidence can be slow.
Friends, you can speak slowly and feel strong.
Sometimes people speak fast to me.
That can feel scary.
Yes, I feel confused.
Confused means not clear.
When that happens, I say, "Please speak slowly."
That sentence is very helpful.
Friends, repeat it later with us.
People usually understand.
Most people are kind.
When I listen to fast English, I miss words.
Me too.
But when it's slow, I understand more.
Slow helps learning.
And memory.
Memory means remembering.
Friends, slow English stays longer in the mind.
When I practice English alone, I speak slowly.
I talk to myself.
Me too.
I say simple sentences.
Like, I am at home.
Or, I am drinking tea.
Very daily English.
Speaking slowly feels gentle.
Gentle means soft.
I like that feeling.
Me too.
Friends, you don't need speed.
You need comfort.
Comfort helps growth.
Growth means getting better.
Slowly getting better.
Let's stay here for a moment.
And continue gently from this calm place.
Without changing the pace.
Yes, still slow, still clear.
Sometimes people say, "Speak fast."
That can feel hard.
I feel pressure then.
Pressure makes words run away.
Yes, my mind feels empty.
Friends, that is normal.
You can say, "I need time."
Or, please wait.
These sentences are simple.
And very useful.
When I speak slowly, I breathe slowly.
Breathing helps the voice.
Yes, I take a small breath.
Then I speak.
Friends, you can try that.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Then speak one sentence.
Slow speaking starts in the body.
That's true.
When my body is calm, my words are calm.
Calm words feel safe.
Safe means no fear.
Sometimes I feel shy in a group.
Me too.
I listen more.
Listening gives time.
Time helps thoughts come.
Friends, listening is also learning.
You don't need to speak all the time.
Speaking less is okay.
Speaking slowly is okay.
Silence is okay.
When I do speak, I use short sentences.
Short sentences are powerful.
Yes, very powerful.
For example,
I like coffee.
simple,
I work at home.
clear.
Friends, you can speak like this.
No need for long lines.
Sometimes I forget a word.
That happens to me too.
I stop.
And think,
I don't rush.
rushing makes it worse.
Friends, it's okay to stop.
You can say, let me think.
Or just a moment.
Very polite.
When people listen, I feel relaxed.
Relaxed means calm.
Slow speaking helps others listen.
Yes, people understand better.
Sometimes people smile.
That feels good.
It gives confidence.
Confidence grows slowly.
Step by step.
Friends, slow is not weak.
Slow is strong.
Strong English is clear English.
Let's gently review some words.
Pressure. Pressure means stress.
Pause. Pause means stop for a moment.
Calm. Calm means relaxed.
Clear. Clear means easy to understand.
Good job.
Now let's practice together.
Please repeat slowly with us.
Please speak slowly.
I need time.
Let me think.
I speak slowly.
I feel calm.
Very nice.
You're doing great.
Even if you speak very softly.
Soft is fine.
One small question for you.
You can answer in the comments.
When do you like to speak slowly?
At work,
Or with friends?
one word is enough.
Let's stay calm.
Keeping the same soft flow.
Yes. Still smooth. Still gentle.
When I speak slowly, I feel more confident.
I feel that too.
Confidence feels warm.
Warm means safe inside.
Sometimes I practice slow English alone.
At home?
Yes, in my room.
I do that too.
I look at simple things.
Like what?
A chair.
A table.
I say, this is a chair.
Very simple.
I say it slowly.
Slow words stay longer.
Yes, my mind remembers.
Friends, you can do this too.
Look around you.
Name one thing.
Say it slowly.
No rush.
Sometimes I record my voice.
Oh, that helps.
I listen again.
I hear my speed.
If I speak fast, I slow down.
That's smart.
Slow speaking is a choice.
Yes, you choose the speed.
Other people do not decide.
You decide.
When someone interrupts me,
I feel nervous then.
me too.
I stop speaking.
But now I don't stop.
What do you do?
I say, one moment, please,
That is very polite.
and very strong.
Friends, you can use that sentence too.
One moment, please.
Say it slowly.
People usually wait.
Yes, most people respect that.
When I speak slowly, people listen.
Listening feels nice.
It feels like space.
Space to think.
Space to breathe.
Space to speak.
Sometimes I smile before speaking.
That helps the voice.
Yes, my face feels relaxed.
Relaxed face, relaxed words.
Friends, your body helps your English.
Not just your mind.
Slow speaking is kind speaking.
Kind to yourself.
Kind to others.
When I feel tired, I speak slower.
That helps a lot.
Tired means low energy.
Friends, you can say, I feel tired.
And still speak slowly.
Slow does not mean weak.
Slow means careful.
Careful words feel clear.
Clear words feel good.
Let's review a few words again.
Interrupt. Interrupt means stop someone speaking.
Choice. Choice means you decide.
Respect. Respect means listen and be kind.
Energy. Energy means strength in your body.
Very good.
Now, let's practice again.
Please repeat slowly.
1 moment, please.
I choose to speak slowly.
I need time.
I feel calm now.
Excellent.
You are doing very well.
One gentle question for you.
You can answer in comments.
Do you practice speaking alone?
Yes or no is okay.
Both answers are fine.
Let's keep the slow rhythm.
And move gently forward, still in the same slow rhythm.
Yes, no breaks.
Sometimes people worry about accents.
I worry about that too.
Accent is how your voice sounds.
Everyone has an accent.
Yes, even native speakers.
Slow speaking makes accents clearer.
Clear accents feel easier to hear.
When I slow down, my accent feels okay.
You don't need to hide it.
Your accent is part of you.
Friends, your accent is not a problem.
Speed is more important than sound.
Fast speech hides words.
Slow speech shows words.
When I speak slowly, people understand me.
I see their eyes.
They are listening.
That feels good.
Sometimes people finish my sentence.
I don't like that.
Me neither.
Now I smile and say, "Let me finish."
That is strong and polite.
Friends, you can use that too.
Let me finish.
Say it calmly.
No anger.
Just clear words.
When I feel nervous, my voice shakes.
That happens to me.
Then I slow down more.
Slower helps control.
Control helps confidence.
Confidence helps speaking.
Sometimes I speak to children.
I do that too.
I always speak slowly with them.
They understand everything,
Slow English works for everyone.
not just beginners.
Friends, slow English is smart English.
Smart means useful.
When I learn new words, I say them slowly.
I repeat them slowly.
Repetition helps memory.
Memory grows with calm practice.
Sometimes silence feels long.
But silence is okay.
Silence gives space.
Space gives words.
Friends, don't fear silence.
Use it.
Slow speaking is not about time.
It's about care.
Care for your words.
Care for yourself.
Let's review again.
Accent. Accent is how you sound.
Finish. Finish means complete your words.
Silence. Silence means no sound.
Care. Care means kindness and attention.
Nice work.
Now practice one more time.
Repeat slowly.
Let me finish.
I speak slowly and clearly.
My accent is okay.
I take my time.
Very good.
You are improving.
One more gentle question.
You can answer in comments.
Do you worry about your accent?
Yes or no is fine.
Thank you for staying calm with us.
We will finish gently next.
And keep the same calm feeling.
Yes, still slow, still steady.
Now let's talk about speaking slowly in real life.
Like at work
Or at a shop.
or on the phone.
Phones can feel hard.
Very hard.
We can't see faces.
So slow speaking helps more.
I speak extra slow on the phone.
Me too.
I say one idea at a time.
That helps the listener.
Friends, one idea is enough.
You don't need long talk.
At a shop, I speak slowly too.
What do you say?
I say, I need this.
Very clear.
Or, how much is this?
Simple and useful.
When the other person speaks fast,
I feel lost.
me too.
Then I say, please speak slowly.
That sentence is your friend.
Yes, use it anytime.
Friends, you are allowed to ask.
Always allowed.
Sometimes I feel shy to slow people down.
I felt that before.
But now I don't worry.
Because understanding is important.
Very important.
When I speak slowly, mistakes reduce.
Reduce means become less.
Yes, fewer mistakes.
Mistakes are okay too.
But slow helps control them.
When I teach myself English,
I read slowly.
I read out loud.
Out loud means with voice.
That helps speaking speed.
I do the same.
Friends, reading slowly is great practice.
Don't rush the words.
Enjoy them.
Enjoy means feel good.
When I feel confident, I still speak slowly.
Confidence does not need speed.
That is important.
Fast does not mean fluent.
Clear means fluent.
Friends, remember that.
Slow speaking helps listening too.
Yes, you hear yourself.
You hear your words.
That builds awareness.
Awareness means knowing what you do.
Knowing helps change.
Friends, slow speaking is a skill.
A skill you can learn.
Every day.
One sentence at a time.
Let's review some words again.
Reduce. Reduce means become less.
Out loud. Out loud means with voice.
Aware. Aware means you know.
Fluent. Fluent means clear and smooth.
Very nice.
Now let's do our last practice.
Please repeat slowly with us.
Please speak slowly.
I need time to think.
I understand better when it's slow.
I speak clearly.
I feel confident.
Excellent.
You are doing something very good for yourself.
Be proud of that.
One last question for you.
You can answer in comments.
Where do you want to speak more slowly?
At work? At home?
One word is perfect.
Let's take one calm breath
And move gently to the end.
and stay calm with that breath. Yes, calm feels good.
Friends, you are doing great.
You are learning at your pace.
Slow is okay.
Slow is strong.
Every day, speak a little.
One sentence is enough.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
When you feel nervous,
Pause.
breathe.
Speak slowly.
English is not a race.
It is a journey.
Enjoy each step.
Small steps are real progress.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We are happy you are here.
If this helped you,
Please like this video.
subscribe to Mr. Fluent English.
Share it with a friend.
Practice a little every day.
Your English will grow.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye for now.